babe, why you? Oh my goodness, babe, this thing pick up really good. So, we just left the mall where I didn't get anything, but JB got something. Go
you
figure.
got it for me.
Babe, that's not the point. It was supposed to be
Stop blaming me.
What do you say, Bella? But anyway, we're gonna go quickly to HomeGoods. Hope I can find something.
I don't know what she's looking for. I mean, okay, babe.
You see, that's why when you go shopping, you can't take your partner with you or your spouse or whomever with you because they would deter you. I want to buy this skirt I just showed you guys, and JB was like, "Oh, Natanya, it's too expensive." I'm lying. He didn't say that.
Ooh,
He didn't say that.
What
What is it called? FOMO? Fear of?
Yeah, FOMO. No. FOMO is fear of missing out. You ain't fear of missing out. You scared of going broke. That's the difference.
Who is not scared of being broke right now?
You.
But this, I was just telling JB earlier that I would see. What do you see? But I was annoyed with this thing beeping.
Baby, I got stuff in my hand.
I would tell JB. Like I like certain things, right? But when it's time to pull the trigger to buy it, I get very fearful. So just know the skirt I just showed you guys is beautiful, stunning. It was maybe what, $500?
$400.
It was around $500 estimated.
Why you said $500? $400, $395.
Oh my gosh, it was $395. Why did I say $495?
I don't know. You ain't had nothing else to do.
That's okay. So. Love the skirt, right? It's my thing because I love wearing like a nice long flowy skirt with a nice little crop top. That's my thing. And I left it, and now I regret leaving it.
You can call the store back, baby, and say, hey, put this skirt.
I can just buy it online, right?
Matter of fact, they already got it, holding it for you right now anyway. So
I think I'm gonna get it, guys. But nevertheless, we're gonna go to HomeGoods and see what we can find, and then we're gonna go to Jackson game. Overall, the day with JB has been interesting.
Fabulous. Tell the truth. Tell the truth, shame the devil.
I'm telling the truth, babe. I'm telling the truth. So, okay. But I think it was nice of him to take the day off to hang with me, though. Because normally he doesn't do anything for me. Just kidding. I get it. Just kidding. No, that's not true.
I tell you, man. Lightning is going to strike. Lightning is really going to strike, and you keep on talking noise. Don't do that. That's not nice.
It is not nice. No, he's amazing.
Sometimes.
Babe. Wink, wink. You see that wink, wink?
You heard us at sometime, right?
Okay. All right. See you guys at HomeGoods. You want to say something, love?
Nope.
I'm top of the world. Give JB the world. Babe, all I'm seeing is the back of your head. It's not even that cute, love. We have JB, give it 10 minutes in HomeGoods. Nice arrangement for $25. I like this more. Because this work in the mall earlier, it is so stunning, and JB and I want to see if we can recreate it. So let's go to HomeGoods and see what we can find. Oh yeah.
I guarantee this is outdoor.
It's fun.
Yeah, this one will go with.
Oh.
Yeah, like a bench seat like that.
That's too big though for our stone seat outside. At the fire by the fire pit, yeah.
Yeah.
JB like this for outside, but that's too big for ours, right?
What, this?
This rug?
No, that's perfect. It goes from one side to the other side to take all the chairs to sit on.
You don't think it's too bold for outside?
No.
Do you really like it for real?
I really like it.
All right, JB, gonna talk about. We just left the mall and we saw this beautiful. What is it called again?
Oh, flower arrangements.
No, but these flowers are called something. What are they called?
These are like Japanese. I forget what the name of them are.
But go ahead, love. Talk about it.
Yeah, I love the arrangement. We're into springtime, summertime. It's light, it's airy. And what we saw in the mall was you had the faux plants, but you had the real plants mixing there with it, which was beautiful. All you had was a bigger base, bigger bowl with the moss on it as well. But this is a good way to, I think, spruce up any room, any larger room in your home with something like this right here. And think about this. This is faux, so it's year round. It's not like something died. Or even when you had the real plants, some real plants are real flowers that come in season. Yeah,
that's true.
Right? You can change them out per season. Yeah.
And you also have a smaller version.
Yep.
Oh, this is nice, but this one is $49.99. But I think depending on the base.
The base.
So we can show it together.
Yep.
They're nice, yeah.
So this right here, you can see this right here from a bathroom perspective, right? The size of this.
But this could be like a dining table.
This the dining table. This could be a corner table.
Yeah.
This could even be, like I said, if you fill it out,
you could get a bigger base.
Flowers.
Yeah, you could do that.
You can make that a centerpiece.
Yeah. Thanks, love.
Okay.
Somebody who didn't want to come to HomeGoods, look at them.
Pretty good price, $3.99.
For what? Oh my, that is huge, love. We don't got nowhere for that.
I know. Beautiful, huh?
Yeah. It gives Restoration Hardware vibe.
What's $7.99? Not $3.99.
You know what this would be nice at? This could also be not used as a like a bar area. And then you put the shelves. But I'm pretty sure this is longer than our
area down there.
Because then you could then you could have this and then do that. This is nice though.
Very nice.
I'm trying to show the price, but I'm not gonna. Oh, my bad. My bad. $3.99, and it's really good.
Did you say $3.99? Did you say $3.99?
This could also work. I was gonna say it could work as a dresser too in a bedroom, but then we like when drawers.
Yeah.
But this is a good price.
This would be nice though. We put it against our long wall with the mirror.
But where do you put the mirror though?
The mirror could stay on the same wall.
That'd be weird.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's nice though. I really do like it.
Very nice.
It's very masculine. Not masculine, but you know, it's like a statement.
I like the wood in the metal.
I like that more than anything else. The handles.
The wood in the metal.
Okay. Thank you, Buzz. You want me to hold it in my hands? Or are you good? You can hear it. Okay, so we're just leaving HomeGoods, and JB did his thing. I'm gonna give him.
I don't get that too often, so I'm gonna receive it.
Exit right.
So we, as you guys can tell, we bought a bench. A folding bench, and JB picked up a beautiful cushion to go with it. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. No matter way to support Jackson at his baseball game. Anything you want to add, love? No? Okay, bye. Just got home. It is 6:15. I'm gonna change and get a quick 30 minutes workout on this treadmill, and then hold on, so you get to see me. Okay, and then I'm gonna wrap up this day. I'm tired. I'm gonna work out, get something to eat, shower, relax, and probably pick it up again tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me today. I will show you where I'm gonna work out, but it's in my garage, and my garage is messy with my treadmill, but I'm consistent with working out every single day for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to do a vlog about why I'm doing this and how I'm doing it. But I tell myself, just share a little bit, is that if I can stroll TikTok or any social media for hours, I can allot 30 minutes to 45 minutes every day to take care of myself and make sure I'm good. So I'll check in back with y'all tomorrow and we can discuss this more. Okay. Thank y'all so much for hanging with me. Bye.